Good morning children. Jayadash here. Today we will do question number 9, the rest two sums from 6.1, and then we will do question number 10. Okay, now I have seen that you all slowly you are very familiar with this number line. Now some questions where you have to use your thinking skill, you have to use this skill to find out some answers. For the following statements, question number 9, we have already done A and B, now C and D we will do. For the following statements, write true, false. If the statement is false, correct it. Some students are asking that, ma'am, we can do it in your copy because you are thinking that you have to write TF or true, false. But see, the question is, if the statement is false, then you have to correct it. A responsibility is given to you. So the correction, for the correction, you please write in your classwork copy. The question is, smallest negative integer is -1. Smallest negative integer is -1. See the number line. See, I have drawn one number line here. You know that when we are going to the left side numbers are smaller number than the right side numbers. So can we say that -1 is the smallest number? Then where the -2, -3, minus, so many minus numbers will go. So -1 is not the smallest negative integer. Then what can be the correction of it? Yes, you can say that -1 is the largest negative integer because it is negative. We know that it is negative. But in between among all the negative numbers, -1 is the largest one. Because after that no minus numbers are there, 0 is neither positive nor negative. So -1 we can say that, for correction I can say that -1 is the largest negative integer. So I will write this correction here. Smallest negative integer is -1. The statement is false. The statement is answer. I will write the statement is answer false. Answer is false. And for the correction, what you will write? Largest correction is the largest negative integer is -1. Now is it correct? The statement is correct or not now? Students, you check. The smallest negative integer they have given, smallest negative integer is 1. The answer is false. And our correction, this is our correction. You have to do this correction now. The largest negative integer is -1. Check students, -26. Next question is -26 is greater than -25? See, it is correct or not? I don't know. Think and give me the answer. Is -26 is left side of -25 or right side of -25? Think about the number line. When you are going to the left side, you have started from -1, -2, -3. In this way you are going. When you are reaching -25, then you will get -26. Then is -26 is greater than -25? The statement is, give me the answer. The statement is false. Yes, statement is false. So the correction is -26. Correction is -26 is smaller than minus 26 is smaller than minus 25. Understood? Minus 26 is, this is our correction, minus 25. Next question. Question number 10. Draw a number line and understand the following. Draw a number line and understand the following. You will see the question afterwards. I will give you the PDF also. And the questions are in your NCERT book. Which number will we reach if we move 4 numbers to the right of minus 2? 4 numbers right of minus 2. Which number will we reach? I am taking one colored chalk. Which number will we reach if we move 4 numbers to the right of minus 2? Right of minus 2. This is minus 2. We will move how many numbers? We will move 4 numbers to the right side of minus 2. To the right side of minus 2. Let's go right side. How many numbers? 4 numbers. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Which number we have reached? 4 numbers to the right of minus 2. Which number you have reached? Yes, you are going to the right side. So you have to go to the larger number, means right side. 1, 2, 3, 4. Which number you have reached? We reached number 2. That means you have to write, where I will write the answer. Give a space here and you will write we reached answer. We reached positive 2 plus 2. Understood? We reached plus 2 on the number line. Next question is which number will we reach if we move 5 numbers to the left of 1. 5 numbers to the left of 1. Left of 1, 5 numbers. You have to move to 5 numbers left. From 1, where is our 1? This is our 1. Positive 1. 5 numbers of 1. From 1, you have to move how many numbers? 5 numbers to the left. To the left means you have to go to this direction. To the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Which number you have reached? From the number line, can you see it? Is it clear? From 1, you have reached at minus 4 on the number line. Understood? Whenever you will do this kind of sums, please use number line so that the concept of number line should be clear in class 6 only. Understood? Then the answer will be we reached at minus 4. You write this answer. I am giving this writing portion of this answer for you. Can you write? Yes, you can write. Next question is if we are at minus 8 on the number line, in which direction should we move to reach minus 13? See the question. They are not asking something that which number we will reach now. They are asking something different. They are asking, you are now at minus 8. Now to go minus 13, which direction you will go? Let's start Say it is minus 13. Say it is minus 13. If it is minus 13, I am taking one help of one number line, minus 13. Then the next number will be, right side of 13 will be minus 12, minus 11, minus 10, minus 9, minus 8, and we are actually going to the opposite. We are in minus 8. Which direction we have to move to reach minus 8? We are at minus 8. We are at minus 8. Then in the left side minus 9. Then left side minus 10, minus 11, minus 12, minus 13. Then which direction you are going? Left or right? From 8, which direction you are going to reach 13? To reach this number, which direction you are moving? Which direction you are going? You are moving to the left side. Answer will be, we have to move left side of minus 8. You have to move left side of minus 8. Some students are writing minus sign. It looks like comma. Give minus sign properly. Next question was, if we are at minus 6, if we are at minus 6 on the number line, in which direction should we move to reach minus 1? If we are at minus 6, in which direction you should move on the number line to reach minus 1? We will use the same number line again, but the numbers will be, I will change. Now the question is, if we are at minus 6, then you want to go to, say it is minus 6, already arrow was there, I am writing minus 6 here. We are at minus 6 on the number line. Then students, tell me, left side will be minus 7 and right side number will be minus 5. Then go minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1. In this way, check the number line. You are at 6, minus 6 on the number line. Then to reach minus 1, where you want to reach? Here you want to reach, you are at minus 6. You want to reach at minus 1, which direction you have to move? You have to move on the right direction, right side. So the answer will be, you have to move on the right side. Right side of minus 6. Understood, students? Is it clear? The board is clear for you? All the sums? Is it? If you I hope you all have understood this sum. Watch the video properly, and I will give few sums as in the form of worksheet from this exercise. Thank you, students.